hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,963. Behave like the Emperor's box. If the bulls scale this wall, they might just earn their freedom. Value area low, VAL, 6,926. The gates to the pits where the weary retreat. A fall below here means being thrown to the lions. Point of control, POC, 6,932. The center of the sand where the most frantic clashing of swords occurred over the last 20 bars. Support zone, 6,926 to 6,932, where the legionnaires hold their shields tight to prevent a total rout. Resistance zone, 6,960 to 6,965, like a phalanx of seasoned soldiers, difficult to pierce without a massive charge. Single prints. Escape paths, lower, 6,918 to 6,920. The dark tunnels leading away from the arena, often ignored until a sudden retreat. Upper, 6,989 to 6,991. The glorious victory arch, representing a breakout from the day's bloody stalemate. Market context. The arena floor is slick with the sweat of indecisive combatants. Today's profile shows a market retreating from the high ground of previous days, with the bulls struggling to find their footing. The CVD suggests the crowd is leaning heavily toward the lions, sellers, but a late session bounce off the arena floor indicates some gladiators still have fight left in them. It is a classic battle of attrition within a wider downward trend. 3-day march through the history of the games. Day 3, January 28th. POC, 7,026. High, 7,043. Low, 6,977. The games began at a high peak with the crowd cheering for the champions. Day 2, January 29th. POC, 7,019. High, 7,030. Low, 6,898. A chaotic brawl that saw a massive drop into the pits before a partial recovery. Day 1, January 30th. POC, 6,964. High, 6,991. Low, 6,918. The gladiators are exhausted, establishing a lower range of combat. Value has descended over the last 3 sessions, today finding a base in the lower 6,900s. Acceptance above VAH would signal a surprise counterattack. Failure back through VAL invites a rotation to the lower tunnels. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD, negative 1,165 contracts. The morning sun rose on a crowd already in a foul mood. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD reached negative 617, a brief moment where it looked like the heroes might prevail. Current CVD, negative 7,608, net negative 6,443 from open, indicating the sellers have spent the afternoon ruthlessly hunting the buyers. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 16,936. A moment of absolute carnage where the bulls were nearly wiped out. Interpretation. The overwhelming negative delta shows the bears are in command of the arena. Any rally will need a massive influx of new gladiators to overcome this selling pressure. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near VAL, 6,926 to 6,932. Stop loss. Below the single print floor at approximately 6,914, or use Average true range, approximately 8 points below entry. Profit target. Initial target at POC, 6,932. Major target at VAH, 6,963. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,960 to 6,965, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above VAH, single print ceiling at approximately 6,968, or average true range above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. Gladiators storm the Emperor's box at 6,963. Setup. Enter long above 6,963, with stop at 6,932 POC. Target 6,980 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The guards at the gate slam it shut at 6,963. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,968. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The arena floor gives way at 6,926. Setup. Short a break below 6,926. Stop above 6,935. Target 6,918 single print area. Scenario D, value bounce. Bulls find a discarded sword at VAL. Setup. Long at 6,926. Stop at 6,918. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.